Okay, she got on every single night, and I don't want
Hi guys, it's Aryan here, back here with another video on the channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how, we're going to be writing scripts in this video, like coding our character in this video. So let's get into the video right now. So firstly, you want to open up your Unity and get your keyboard ready for this video, because we are actually going to be typing on the keyboard. So I'm just going to get my keyboard real quick. There we go. Okay, now this is our game, how we left it. We can play our game now. And yeah, it does the animations for it. So I'm just going to stop having it. Alright, there we go. So now let's go back to this area. Okay, so firstly in this video I'm gonna go, we're not gonna do a lot of stuff, we're just gonna write some scripts. So what we're gonna do first is select this player thingy right here, and then go down to the very bottom to where it says add component, and then press I've done this before, so it would look like this for you if you haven't done it before. You just go into add component, then it will show this. All you need to write in this little space is controller. So, and then once you've typed out controller, press on new script, and then it's automatically going to be named for you. I'm just going to change that to a capital C. Just change everything. Just change it to a capital C as well, because you never know, it might affect you in some of the parts, but you don't know. Just change it to a capital C and then press create and add. Now it's going to be in this assets area, so we're going to double click it, and this is going to open up Visual Studio 2017, which is basically where we're going to code. So we are going to be making a class for our characters cart and stuff, and yeah, so let's just start off by writing this line. So just make some space in this using Unity engine thing line, and enter once or twice to line 4 or 5, and then put 2 square brackets. There we go, it's going to auto do it for you. And then write in there system dot, I can't read this one, but it's called it's going to come up. So when you write SER, it's going to come up with serializable, I think it's called. Just write that and it'll come up as light blue. Then and then make a line below that and write public space class, and then capital A Axel. So this is our class for our our game so far. So now all we want to go into is, all we want to do next is push enter. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put a curly bracket here, and then press enter again. Now it's going to put these curly black brackets onto the side, and then in those curly brackets we're going to write public space wheel collider with a capital W and a capital C, by the way. And then make sure to write after that left wheel, so left and then wheel. There we go, right there. And then for the end of this line, we're gonna put a little It's called semicolon. You're probably like, what the hell is this? But it's basically a full stop encoding. So yeah. Then you're gonna make a second line, and you're gonna write public space capital W wheel collider. Hopefully I didn't spell that wrong. Alright, there we go. And then space again, right wheel. And then the full stop, aka the semicolon. So yeah, that's a bit of what the car's wheels are. So the car's wheels, we have just coded them so like it can collide with objects. So now let's make another line for the motor. So we're gonna name this public bull and then motor. Done. Now let's make another line and then public bull, and then steering. There we go. And then the semicolon. And that's all the lines for this video. So if you're enjoying, no, I'm kidding, that's not it. The second bit we have to do is so what we're supposed to do now is go to near where this line is, so this public class thingy, and so go where this public class controller mono behavior line is, and go to the little bracket here, this little squiggly bracket, and press, so like don't go there, otherwise it'll look like that if you press enter. So go to the squiggly bracket and press enter, and now you're in this area of line. So now all you're gonna do is write public, and then after that you're gonna write list with a capital L, and then no space, sorry, my bad. And then you're gonna do shift and do these two arrows, and then all you're gonna write after that is axle with a capital L. Make sure it's with a capital L because we made our public class, we made our class with a capital L, so we have to why am I saying capital L? Capital A, so it's gonna be with a capital A, otherwise our script is gonna be like, what's this? This is incorrect, oh my god, what have you done? So yeah. But in this line right here, we're gonna do a space and a non-capital axles, and then we're gonna do the semicolon. So now, next line we're gonna do is public, and then float. There we go. And then space, max, motor, torque, I think. And then motor with a capital M. So it's motor. Oh my god, I spelled it wrong. Of course I did. And then, and then with a capital T. There. Oh wait, no. There. Okay. So now that's all you need to write here, and then of course press that. Otherwise, it will be an error and it won't go good. So the next line, this is the last line of our code, and it's just it's just like the steering wheel and the angle of the steering wheel. So we're gonna do public float, and then max, with a capital S, steering, sorry, and then with a capital A, angle. Then finish it off with a semicolon. And that is it. That's all of the code we need to write in this. And don't go ahead and close it out now. I am telling you, do not do that because you haven't even saved it yet. How you know if you've saved it or not is at the top here. There's gonna be like a little star. That's when you know it's not saved. If you see that, go to File, then press save all. Done. That's all you gotta do. And the green lines will pop up to show you what you've saved in this in your working time. So if I put an S right here, look, that star comes back. And if I delete it, that star will still be there because I've made that change. So I gotta go save all again, so that goes away. And then you're gonna see a green arrow there. But nothing's really changed there since I deleted it. And one really helpful feature, you can undo stuff. Not a lot of coding like scripts have this feature. So if you write an S here and you can't for some reason, so you wrote this and you want to give it back, and you want to get it back because you deleted all of it, all you gotta do is press the arrow and you're gonna do it one by one since they're all in one letter. There you go. I think there was one more, right? Oh no, I deleted that. There we go. And then now, since we've deleted it, there's no star. So yeah, you can get forwards by redoing something and backwards by undoing something. So now once you've saved, you just do it again like 4 times in case something goes weird. I just do it like 2 times. And then another short way to do it is Control Shift and S. So if I write a C here, so another C for example here, I'm going to delete this, don't worry. And then Control Shift and S, it's going to save it. But now as you can see, there's a ton of errors, so I'm just going to delete that C. Everything's going to go back. So there we go. So once you've saved your work and you're done, all you gotta do is make sure there's no star and then go and exit that. And then now, as you can see, when you go back to Unity, a little blue circle will come. Don't worry if you sometimes can't move, it's just like processing all the code to Unity, so don't worry if you can't move. And now in the next couple videos, we are actually going to be making this guy learn how to drive. So we're actually going to make him move around, and it's going to be super cool. So we're doing that in a couple more videos, in like 4 or 5 more videos, maybe even 3 or 4, I don't know. But we are going to be making this guy move for the first time of his life. So let's congratulate him for learning how to drive. Well, in 4 videos, yes. But yeah, we're going to be teaching this man how to drive, and yeah. So that is going to be it for today's video. But before the video ends, make sure to go ahead and save this project. Even though we haven't done anything, let's just save the project and then exit out of Unity if you want to, or you can just make more characters or whatever. But that is it from me for today's video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Focus, and I don't